I am Ryan Thompson from Kendall Bronco Club of Eugene, and today we're here to talk about the Sasquatch package on the new Bronco. So with the Sasquatch package, it's wheels, tires, lift, shocks, gears, front locker, rear locker. Best part of the Sasquatch package are the larger tires and the factory lift. Along with the tires, you do get the beadlock capable wheels. The tire would be bolted to the wheel. Since it's bolted to the wheel, it can't lose its bead. So where we were off-roading, you air down your tires really low, and if you air down too much and hit a rock, all the air comes out because it lost its bead. When it's bolted to the wheel, it can't. The Bilstein shocks upgrade over the standard ones that are on there. These just hit better. Like when you're four-wheeling, the shocks will make it either smoother or rougher. These will make it smoother four-wheeling and also give you the ground clearance you need because the spring that's on them is how it gets the height. So that's part of the lift kit, part of the suspension, part of fitting the bigger tire on there. And it also gives you 4/7 gears in the front and rear axle, which is gonna allow you to crawl at slow speeds off-road a lot better. Along with the 4/7 gears, we have a front electronic locker and a rear electronic locker that are just as easy to turn on as pushing a button on the dash. They work in 4 high and 4 low. The rear locker will work in 2-wheel drive as well, which could be a lot of fun on the sand by itself. You know, it's the most popular package on the Bronco is the Sasquatch package. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for more information, or come down to our new Bronco Club showroom on Good Pasture Island Road, see it for yourself. And don't forget to visit our website at kendallbroncoclub.com. Kendall, let's start something great.